everyone. Today is a new day, new life, new beginning, and new lesson. So, ang lesson natin ngayon ay tungkol sa rational exponents. So, pag sinabi nating rational exponent, we're talking about an exponent that is a fraction. Okay? So, in simplifying expressions with rational exponents, we simply apply the laws involving positive integral exponents. Okay? So, dito, kung napapansin ninyo, meron tayong 4 na examples. Iba-iba. Okay? At ang kanilang exponents ay fractions. So, umpisan natin sa number 1. So, 1,000 raised to 1/3. Ang ibig sabihin nito, or ang unang step na gagawin natin, ay mag-isip ng number na kung imumultiply natin sa sarili niya ay magkakaroon tayo ng 1,000. So, I think 10. Okay? So, we're going to multiply 10 tatlong beses. So, 10 times 10, 100 times 10, we have 1,000. So, 10 times 10 times 10. Okay, gagamit na lang tayo ng that as sign of multiplication. Okay? Then, after that, itong tatlong to, pwede natin siyang isulat ng exponential form. So, meron tayong 10, tapos bilangin natin kung ilang beses. 1, 2, 3. So, yun ang exponent natin. Okay? Next, pagkatapos niyan ay i-rewrite na natin. So, 10 cubed or 10 raised to 3 raised to 1/3. Pag ganyan na siya, pwede na tayong mag-cancel. Ang long method, pwedeng 3 times 1 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So, that is the long method. But then, ang pag-cancel ng whole number to fraction, pwede siya. Kung whole number at saka denominator ay factorable, pwedeng mag-cancel na lang. So, 3 divided by 3, 1. The same thing. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Divided by 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, we have 10 raised to 1 or simply 10. So, eto na ang ating sagot. Madali lang, di ba? Okay. So, more examples para mas maintindihan pa ninyo. Okay? Next, number 2. Dito sa number 2, negative tayo. Dito whole number. Of course, may close and open parentheses. Again, unang step, mag-isip ng number na pwedeng i-multiply hanggang sa mapalabas natin ang 64. The same base. So, let's try 4. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So, pwede. Since negative siya, dapat negative din lahat. Negative 4. Close and open parenthesis na lang tayo. Kasi may sign. Okay. So, negative times negative, positive. Positive times negative is negative. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4, 64. So, pwede. Pag isusulat natin to in exponential form, just copy negative 4 raised to, ilang beses multiply? Isa, dalawa, tatlo. So, 3. That's it. Now, we can rewrite this. Negative 4 cubed raised to 1/3. Again, let's follow what we did in number 1. So, mag-cancel lang tayo. Or, pwede rin 3 times 1. Copy muna ang base, negative 4. So, 3 times 1 is equal to 3 all over 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 na siya. Therefore, and negative 4 is to 1 is still negative 4. Final answer is negative 4. So, may sagot pa rin tayo. Next, number 3. I-try natin ang number 3. So, ang number 2 at number 3, pareho silang may negative sign ang base at may close and open parentheses. Okay. So, pero ito, ang denominator ng exponent na fraction ay 3. Dito ay 2. So, ang 3 is odd number, ang 2 ay even number. So, tingnan natin ang pagkakaiba. So, mag-isip ng number na pag i-multiply natin ay lalabas ito. Ang factor ng 4 ay 2 and 2. So, we have 2 and 2. Pero, ang negative dito ay kasali sa exponents. Kaya, dapat negative 2 and negative 2. Pero, kung minultiply natin ang negative 2 times negative 2, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 4. Oh, sorry, positive 4. Hindi pwede. Pero, pwede siya ng ganito, negative 2 times 2. Kasi, 2 times 2 is 4 times negative, may 1 dito sa labas, invisible na 1, so naging negative 4. So, itong dalawa ay magkaiba. They are not equal. So, since they are not equal, then automatically this is undefined. Undefined siya, walang sagot. Hindi pwede. Okay? Okay, so next. Ito na ang clue bakit sila magkaiba at hindi defined. Siguro ang nasa isip niyo, bakit ito pwede? Bakit yun hindi? Ito ang clue. Kung ang exponent nyo ay odd numbers at ang base ay negative, then mayroon tayong sagot. Pero kung ang base natin ay negative at ang exponent ay even number, undefined siya. Bakit? Kasi ito nga sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, pag i-multiply mo tong dalawang negative bases, hindi pwedeng maging negative. Ito ay positive. Kung ganitong form, pwede siya. So ito, we can use this, pero ito, hindi siya pwedeng gamitin. That's why undefined. Kasi itong dalawa ay not equal. Nakuha? Okay, next, number 4. Meron tayo dito negative 81. Ito magkakaiba. Of course. Okay. Anong pagkakaiba nito at nakaito? Pareho namang even number. Ang pagkakaiba nila, ito ay walang close and open parentheses. Ibig sabihin, itong 81 na to, siya lang ang kasakop ng exponent na 1/4. Ang negative ay hindi kasali. Okay. So ngayon, mag-isip tayo ng factor na pwede ang 81. Okay, 3. Try natin. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, we have 81. So 3 raised to 4. So 3, 3, 3, 3. Or, pag isulat natin siya in exponential form, we have 3 raised to 4. Pero, meron pa rin tayong negative. Kaso lang, nasa labas ng close and open parentheses. Ganyan yan. Okay? So, i-rewrite natin ito with this. Negative 3 raised to 4 raised to 1/4. Again, kung short method, pwede na tayong mag-cancel like that. So, this becomes 1, this becomes 1. So, 1 times 1 is equal to 1 over 1. So, 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. And, again, so 3 raised to 1 is still 3. Okay? Raised to 1 is still 3. Of course, etong negative dito, again, ulitin ko, pag may negative yan, at may close and open parentheses, ibig sabihin may 1 dyan. 1 is invisible. So, negative 1 times 3 is still negative 3. Therefore, our answer is negative 3. Kung napapansin ninyo, dito ay undefined. Pero dito ay may answer. Bakit? Ulitin ko, kasi dito may close and open parentheses at ang base natin ay negative. Ang exponent ay even number. Pero dito, ang base natin ay negative pero hindi siya kasali. Ang negative sign natin ay hindi kasali sa exponent na even number. Kaya, ito ay may sagot. Hindi siya undefined. Again, pag sinabi... Okay, so for example number 5, we have here 1,000 raised to 1/3. So, think of a number that if you multiply by itself, it becomes 1,000. So, we have 10. 10 times 10, 100 times 10, we have 1,000. So, we have 10 raised to 3. Ulitin na. Let's try again. 10 times 10 times 10. That is 1,000. Or in exponential form, we can write as 10 raised to 3. Then after that, we can simplify 10 raised to 3 multiplied by 1/3. Then after that, copy the base. Okay, short method. You don't need to multiply. So cancel 3 and cancel 3. This is whole number. This is denominator. So you can cancel. This is already 1 and 1. So 1 times 1, 1. Divided by 1 is equal to 1. So this must be 10 raised to 1 or simply 10. So that's the answer. Okay? Next, number 6. Again, if you notice, we have a negative base and the exponent is even number. But before that, let's try again for you to practice. So if we multiply negative, think of a number that if you multiply by itself, it becomes 4. So we have 2. 2 times 2, 4. So we have 2 raised to 2. Okay, let's write first. So negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to positive 4. So it cannot be. Or we can write also in exponential form, negative 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. So it's not possible because this is negative. And as I have said a while ago, if the denominator is even number and the base is negative, then it's not possible. So this is already undefined. Okay? No answer. Okay? How about in number 7? If you notice, number 7 is also negative. But what is the difference? And the denominator here is 4. Okay? So it is also even. Okay, before we're going to compare number 6 and number 7, let's think first of a factor of h1 or any number that if you multiply by itself or any number, then it forms 81. So let's try 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 3, we have 81. So we have 3 raised to 4. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Or in exponential form, 3 raised to 4. Okay, again, this is negative 81. Okay? There is no close and open parentheses, but in here there is a close and open parentheses which enclose negative sign here. So in here, the negative sign included in the exponent 1/2. But in here, the negative sign is not included in the exponent 1/4. The 81, the base 81 only includes the exponent 1/4, not the negative sign. Okay? So therefore, this is not undefined even we have an exponent even number. Okay? So there is a big difference between number 6 and number 7. If there is a close and open parenthesis within or including the negative sign and it's an even number, then it is undefined. Okay? Because it's not possible. But if there is no close and open parenthesis and the exponent is even number, then it is possible. So we have negative here. The negative here, that must be negative 1. Okay? So negative, there is negative in here. Therefore, so we have negative here and then there is a close and open parenthesis here. Negative outside the parenthesis, 3/4 multiplied by 1/4. Again, simply cancel 4 and 4. Then everything is 1. So the answer is already 3. So copy negative outside and then copy 3 inside. Again, as I had mentioned a while ago, the negative sign here, there is 1 outside. Again, 1 is invisible. So negative 1 times 3, the answer is negative 3. So this is not undefined. Okay? I'll repeat, if the negative base with an exponent even number and there is a close and open parenthesis that includes the negative sign, then the answer is undefined. But if the base is negative with an even number exponent, but the negative sign is not enclosed with close and open parentheses or without close and open parentheses, then there will be an answer. It is not undefined. Okay, next, last number, we have negative 64 raised to negative 1/3. Again, we have a negative base, but the exponent is odd number, so it is possible. So let's think of a number. I think 4. So 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So we have 4 raised to 3. Negative. Okay. If we multiply negative 4 3 times, negative 4, negative 4, negative 4, then the answer is negative 64. So this is possible. Okay? Okay. Therefore, negative 4 raised to 3 raised to 1/3, then cancel 3 and 3. Everything is 1. So the answer is negative 4. Okay? Okay. So therefore, the answer is negative 4. Okay guys, that's all for today. That's how we do rational exponents. Okay? Okay, I hope you learned from this video and I hope to see